Can I help you?
I need a t-shirt.
Sorry, we are out of t-shirt.
Do you sell jacket?
Would another color do?
Oh no. Have you got back?
Would you like to try it on?
May I try this on, please?
The fitting room is over there.
It does suit me. I need change size.
Yes, the back suits you very well.
Yes, it's good. Where is cat desk?
I will take this to the class deck. Please follow me.
Okay.
It will only cost you 200 baht, sir.
It's too expensive. Can you make it the cheaper?
Let's see. How about 180 baht?
Oh, I can't pay that much.
How much can you afford?
Can you make it 160 baht?
The price has been made down already. I can take less than 170 baht.
What's about 160 and I pay in cash?
In class, okay, it's a deal.
Okay, thank you.